Ever wondered what it's like to step right into your favorite movies? Well, Universal Studios is exactly that, a thrilling theme park where blockbuster films come alive. It's not just about rides, though there are plenty of those. Universal combines cutting-edge attractions with the magic of Hollywood. Think immersive worlds, incredible special effects, and experiences that put you right in the middle of the action. Imagine exploring iconic places like the wizarding world of Harry Potter, where you can sip butter beer and cast spells, or battling villains with Spider-Man in a high-tech 3D adventure. They've got something for everyone, from thrilling coasters to family-friendly fun. Beyond the rides, Universal offers spectacular live shows, delicious themed dining experiences, and unique shops where you can grab souvenirs from your beloved movies. It's an entire universe of entertainment. So, in a nutshell, Universal Studios is where imagination meets innovation, creating unforgettable memories for movie lovers and thrill seekers alike. It's more than a theme park, it's a journey into the heart of cinematic magic. Subscribe for more fun facts.